We're here at the Tongariro National Park again. This is the second time.
Second attempt
Second attempt.
to crossing. And it's in the winter.
Yeah! Let's do it! 这是我们第二次来了那个 Tongariro National Park。上次来的时候也是很多雾啊。将快到上面的时候，我们觉得不可以再继续了，因为完全看不到，危险。These are the lava rocks that erupted from the top millions of years ago. Now we are about 1,400.
Yeah.
Okay. Now we should be at about 1,500 meters above sea level. Nice walk. It's getting colder now, but good thing it's not raining, because the last time we were here we were drenched wet. So today's weather seems to be not too bad. Four more hours to reach the other side. The last time we didn't make it so far. Today's weather is awesome. The sky is clearing up. Look. Check out, man. Can you see her? She's already up there. Look at the frozen ice. To tell you how cold is this place, any water or dew in the morning were frozen to ice. All frozen to ice. I think we reached the crater, right? Is it here?
Don't tell me.
We're now at the red crater. At 1,886 meters, this is the highest point on the Tongariro Alpine Crossing. For mostly of the scree and the deep red-brown colors are caused by extreme heat oxidizing the iron within the rocks. We're at Tongariro highest point now.